Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect your Shopify store to Amazon. Connecting your store with Amazon lets us list products, manage inventory, and reach a much larger audience. Let's go through it step by step. On the Shopify dashboard, go to the Apps section on the left side. Click on Apps, then select All Recommended Apps. At the bottom, you will see the Shopify App Store. Click on that. You will now be taken to the Shopify App Store. Search for Amazon, type it in, and press Enter. When the results appear, click the Amazon logo to open the app. Next, click Install. You may need to review and confirm some permissions here. Give it a moment to load. Once it is ready, click Install again. There may be a data access update to review. When you are done, click Install to confirm. If you see a conflict notice, it will be resolved automatically. Once that is done, you will see that your store is now connected to Amazon. Click to continue. Now click on Account, then log into your Amazon account. Once logged in, your Shopify store will be linked to Amazon. And that is how we connect your Shopify store to Amazon. This integration helps us reach more customers and manage sales across both platforms with ease.